No, sir.
Show me some ID.
Am I being detained?
You are being detained.
Silly.
We perceive you as a threat.
That's up
right.
to you.
And we can
That's up
act
to you.
on that.
That's up to you.
And we can act on that.
I can videotape anything
And we can
or
act on
photography,
that.
anything from
No, you
public
cannot.
property, sir.
Then you are a sad individual.
Thank you.
Are you on medication?
That's none of your business.
Should you be on medication?
Also none of your business.
Maybe we need to get him transported for commitment. You may be a danger to...
You're on public property. You're about to be in public jail. That's the moment everything exploded. In this real First Amendment audit from North Carolina, Lieutenant R.V. Rose confronts a citizen journalist who's filming from a public sidewalk. But instead of upholding the law, the officer escalates, issuing unlawful commands, detaining the man without cause, and even mocking his mental health. Is recording a police station really a threat? Or is this a clear case of authority abuse? Let's break it down, legally, calmly, and powerfully. You're watching Mr. Right, ID Refusal, and huge thanks to the original channel NC Tyrant Hunter for exposing this encounter. Be sure to follow and support them.
Might have asked you what you're doing.
Just taking some videotape.
Of what?
Those flags right now. Can I help you?
That's what I'm trying to find out, if I can help you. Okay, close your camera and start walking. I think you've been told to stay off this property. You have no reason.
I'm on public property.
You have no reason to be videotaping that police department. And I'm going to ask you one more time nicely to move on, sir. If you think I'm telling you something wrong, then you can appeal above my head about it.
I'll do that.
Well, you do that.
I'm on public property, on public sidewalk.
You're about to be in a public jail. That's where you're about to be. You're a suspicious person at this point, sir. Most sane individuals wouldn't stand and videotape the rear of a police department. You were at the gas pumps last week, now you're back. That goes outside the realm of public property and just doing it for the fun of it.
No, sir.
Show me some ID.
Am I being detained?
You are being detained.
This is a clear case of police misconduct and violation of First and Fourth Amendment protections. No articulable suspicion or crime scene exists. Under Terry v. Ohio, detention requires reasonable suspicion, which is absent here. Filming in public is not a crime.
What is your hang-up anyway? Did somebody give you a ticket or something that you thought was unjust? You can't get enough women on your own? You want to be a policeman? Is that it?
I don't think so.
He doesn't have anything better to do than hang around at the rear of a police department videotaping.
That's
I love to be on camera.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I like being on camera.
Appreciate it.
But see, in this day and age, we have to make sure.
Nothing to do with it.
We have to make sure that there's not
absolutely
some
nothing to do with
weirdo. Oh yeah, it does have a lot to do with it.
Nothing to do with
Videotape
it.
me.
Has nothing to do with it.
Videotape me.
I can, from this public sidewalk, I can videotape anything I see in public.
Necessarily, sir.
Absolutely necessarily.
We perceive you as a threat.
That's up
right.
to you.
And we can
That's up
act
to you.
on that.
That's up to you.
And we can act on that.
I can videotape anything
And we can
or
act on
photography,
that.
anything from
No, you
public
cannot.
property. Yes, sir.
You cannot.
Yes, sir. What's the law?
You cannot.
State the law that says I cannot.
And I'm telling you, you cannot.
You don't have the authority to tell me I can't. If it's not against the law, you have not have the authority to tell me.
You're a suspicious person right now, and you could be dangerous for all I know.
You have all my information from last week.
What is your hang-up is my question. I'm going to ask you on camera.
There is no hang-up.
What is your malfunction that you are
There is
preoccupied
no hang-up.
with the police department?
No hang-up.
What is your malfunction, sir, that you are so hung up with the police department?
What is your malfunction that you're so panicked?
I'm working.
No, sir, you're
what
not
I'm supposed
working.
to do is to protect and serve. Right now, I consider myself protecting this parking lot and the department that my officers report to.
Okay.
You have nothing better to do than stand on a sidewalk and videotape the police department?
No, sir.
Then you are a sad individual.
Thank you.
Are you on medication?
That's none of your business.
Should you be on medication?
Also none of your business.
Maybe we need to get him transported for commitment. You may be a danger to yourself.
Hello?
Rose repeatedly refuses to cite any law, yet implies dangerous behavior without probable cause. Under Hybel v. 6th Judicial District Court, officers must have reasonable suspicion of a crime to demand ID. None is present here. This is not public safety. It's abuse of authority.
How are you?
How you doing?
What was the reason you told him last?
I'm not going to answer more questions.
Not going to answer any more questions. Well, I believe I read the report that says you were looking for models to model in front of the building.
No.
No, I just made that up then.
So you got it wrong, I guess.
Got it wrong. Because I was going to say, you can't be doing that when you're videotaping every police car that rides up the road.
What is the problem with that?
What is the problem with that? It's a huge safety concern
Why?
for us.
Why?
It just is.
Why?
It just is.
You film individuals that you stop,
We have to.
and this is a reaction you get when somebody films you on.
Not necessarily, but when you pick out the police department and it's a constant pattern of it brings up an issue.
Really?
These cameras have to be on anytime we're in official duty. So pretty much, they actually wanted us to record anytime we put this uniform on to the time we went home, which, hey, I'm good with. So, yep, we do record too.
This is a bad reaction to a camera, though, don't you think?
I haven't given you a bad reaction. I'm just telling you what while we're out here.
You're all about access and openness, but you don't want to answer anything.
I'm not a public official, sir.
What are you?
Private citizen.
On a public sidewalk?
Yes, sir.
So answer the questions.
That's enough. You've got enough.
Oh, we got plenty.
I've gone more than I'm required to do.
Mr. George Jenkins will be in touch with you
Thank you very much.
within the next day or so.
Okay.
And you stay out here as long as you want.
Thank you.
Actually, it's better if you stay out here where we can keep an eye on you.
Thank you.
Because, you are...
Why does it draw such a reaction when I come in to record?
You are a strange individual. That's why you draw such a reaction.
Instead of citing any law, officers rely on vague language like, "You are a strange individual," and "This is not normal behavior." This undermines the constitutional principle that suspicion is not a crime. Filming government activity from public space is lawful. Public officials are accountable, not immune from observation.
Really?
This is not normal behavior, despite what you may think.
It should be, though.
To stand out in 30
It should
degree
be.
weather. No, it shouldn't be.
Yes, sir, it should.
No.
Yes, sir.
I know you're going to cloak yourself in the Constitution and talk
Yes,
about
sir.
your rights, right?
That's right.
Nobody's talking about your rights. I agree.
You're
You should
violating
have,
them.
You should have
You're
every
violating them.
right.
You violated my
You should
rights
have
today.
Every right.
No.
And what I'm saying is this unusual behavior.
I should have
to stand
every
out
right
in
unless I
30
record the police.
and
Unless
to
I
stand
record the
out-
police, I should have every right.
Well, until we find out why you're recording the police, you're right. But you know what?
But
You
it's
seem
not your
harmless
business.
enough. It absolutely
No,
is.
sir, I'm not obligated to tell you why I'm recording
you
anything.
absolutely are.
No, sir.
You could have
Absolutely
full
not.
intention, sir. And until we find out
But
otherwise,
even if I did, it's
You know
none
what?
of your
It's- I
business,
should be talking
and I'm
to-
not obligated to
Mr.
tell
Gordon,
you why I'm here.
I could talk to this pole and
Yes,
get
sir.
more logic.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
stand there and hold that pole up straight
Okay?
in this nice weather.
I appreciate that.
But we'll be in touch with you.
You fellas have a good day and stay safe.
You too.
We're going to try to.
I appreciate it.
You're out here looking after us.
I'm looking after me.
That helps. That helps a lot.
I'm looking after me.
Knowing you're looking after us, that helps a lot.
I'm looking after me.
Tamika, we've got his information.
Lieutenant R.V. Rose's conduct earns a D for escalating without legal basis, issuing unlawful commands, and resorting to personal attacks. The citizen auditor, despite provocation, maintained composure and asserted his rights, earning a solid B+. This video is a clear case study in ID refusal, police misconduct, and the importance of knowing your rights. Filming in public is protected under the First Amendment, and detainment requires reasonable suspicion under the Fourth Amendment. Always remain calm, film from public property, and never present ID unless legally required. Stand firm, but don't escalate. If you value ID refusal education, subscribe to Mr. Right ID Refusal and follow the original channel, NC Tyrant Hunter, for more real encounters.